Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If your contacts app on Mac is completely empty, not scanning with iCloud, or missing newly added contacts, don't worry, you are not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through step-by-step fix to get your contacts app working again and syncing properly with iCloud. Let's jump right into it. To enable iCloud contacts on Mac, Step 1. Open System Settings. Step 2. At the top of the settings panel, click on your Apple ID. Step 3. Select iCloud from the left-hand menu. Step 4. Scroll down and click on See All under the list of apps using iCloud. Step 5. Look for contacts in the list and make sure the toggle is on. If contacts is disabled here, your Mac wouldn't sync any of your iCloud contacts, and that's usually the reason they are missing from the app. After turning it on, give it few minutes. You can also try restarting the Contacts app or rebooting your Mac if it doesn't sync right away. Your contacts should now appear and sync correctly across your device. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Apple fixes and Mac tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.